Welcome to the world of Peppa Pig.
Let's play a game together.
Peppa and Mummy Pig are doing some shopping today. Can you find 1 banana to add to the trolley? Can you find 2 pears to add to the trolley? Can you find 3 apples to add to the trolley? Can you find 4 watermelons to add to the trolley? Well done. You are very good at counting. Count the number of items on the conveyor belt and tap 1. How many pears can you see? 2. How many apples can you see? 3. How many watermelons can you see? 4. Can you help Peppa pack the items into the shopping basket? 4. Well done. You have packed all of the shopping. Move the pieces to the correct place. Oh dear, Peppa's car has broken down. Daddy Pig had better call Grandad Dog's garage and ask for help. Danny Dog has answered the phone. Grandad Dog is on his way. Can you drive Grandad Dog's tow truck to rescue Peppa's car? Tap on the red button to make the car stop at the traffic light. has arrived with his tow truck. Can you hook Peppa's car to it? Excellent! You have attached the hook. Turn the winch to tow the car. The car is ready to drive back to Grandad Dog's garage. Driving. Fantastic! Peppa's car is fixed. Grandad Dog has a fancy new car wash. You have been a great helper today. Ballet lesson. Today at playgroup, Peppa is learning how to dance. Madame Gazelle teaches the class how to jump and twirl. Peppa and her friends love to dance. At home, Peppa wants to show her family what she learned. It looks like Mummy Pig and Daddy Pig can dance too. Everyone loves to dance.